Hello students, welcome to another chapter which is chapter 3, Scientific Process in Biology. In this chapter, there are basic skills that are essential in scientific studies. You will need these skills as you study biology. And these skills include observation, experimentation, and measurements. And now we are going to start with observation. It's a fundamental scientific method and process. Also, measurements refer to the process of qualifying and assigning numerical values to various biological features, characteristics, or it involves closely and systematical watching, noting, and recording phenomena or living organisms in their natural environments or within controlled experiments. Also, observation serves as the foundation for the gathering data and generating hypotheses in biological research and the study of the living organisms. Above all, as you have learned in chapter 1, biology is a study of life. Through observation, you can study living things in many ways, example by using sense organs. As we see this video, human being using sense organs to make observation by using eyes for sight and tongue for tasting. So, we have 5 sense organs and we are going to see them one after another. So as we see here, we have eyes for sight or see, nose for smelling, ear for hearing, tongue for taste, and skin for touch. And all of these are the 5 sensitive organs. And here we are going to see what is sense organ. The uses of the sense organ to make observation. It has many advantages in our everyday life. So, the sense organs refer to the process of quantifying and assigning numerical values to various biological features, characteristics, or these measurements are essential for scientific research, experimentation, and data analysis in the field of biology. Also, the scientists use specific instruments and units of measurement in their investigations. Clearly, the standard system of measurement used by scientists all over the world is called the International System of Units, or in short form, it's called the SI units. And this system ensures precision in the presentation of scientific results and the uniformity of data presentation internationally. Okay, as we see here, we have a table showing the 7 fundamental quantities. Previously, we have seen the fundamental quantities, and now let's start with mass. What is mass? Mass is a quantity of matter in an object. Everything in the world has made up of matter. And mass is measured by using a weight balance or weighting scale. It is often expressed in grams or kilograms, whereby 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. As we see here, we have a beam balance and also we have digital scale, and all of these are the weighting scale which used to measure mass. And again we have length. Length is the measurement of the distance or dimensions from one point to another. Length can be measured by using ruler or a tape measure. Here, common unit of expressing length is millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Let's see the conversion of measurements. 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 100 and 1000 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. For instance, here we have a tape and also we have a ruler. All of those are instruments for length measurement. Again, here we have temperature. Temperature is measured of how hot or cold the substance is, or is the degree of coldness or hotness of a substance is. Also, it is a physical property that explains the common notation of hot or cold. Also, the common units of measuring temperature are Kelvin, degrees Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit. The short form of Kelvin is K, the short form of degrees Fahrenheit is F centigrade, and the short form of degrees Celsius is C centigrade. And here we are going to see some formula of Kelvin and degrees in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Remember that the normal human temperature is between 36 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. Above all, we use the thermometer to measure the temperature. For instance, we can use thermometer to measure the human body temperature. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and it is freezing in 0 degrees Celsius. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and it is freezing. And here we are using thermometer to measure the temperature of the water.